Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, I am going to talk about a topic that is very exciting, fun, and inspiring. My favorite game, football. Football is not just a sport. It is a passion, a way of life, and a source of lessons that go beyond the field. Today, I will share why football is my favorite game, how it is played, its benefits, my personal experiences, tips to improve, and some inspiring stories from the world of football. Football is a game I have loved since my childhood. From the first time I kicked a ball, I felt an unmatched excitement and joy. The thrill of running on the field, the challenge of scoring a goal, and the satisfaction of teamwork made football my favorite. What makes it even more special is that it is not only a game but also a teacher, teaching patience, discipline, strategy, and perseverance. There are several reasons why football is my favorite game. First, it keeps me active and healthy. Running across the field, jumping, and sprinting improves stamina and fitness. Second, it improves skills like coordination, reflexes, and strategic thinking. Third, it teaches discipline. To play well, I need to follow rules, practice regularly, and stay focused. Fourth, football builds friendships. Playing with teammates creates strong bonds and unforgettable memories. Finally, it relieves stress. After a long day of studying or work, football gives me energy, happiness, and a sense of freedom. Let me explain how football is played. Football is played between two teams, each consisting of 11 players. The main goal is to score more goals than the opposing team by putting the ball into the opponent's net. The game is divided into two halves of 45 minutes each. Players must follow specific rules, such as avoiding hand-touching except for the goalkeeper and playing fairly without committing fouls. The game may seem simple, but when played seriously, it becomes a combination of skill, strategy, teamwork, and quick decision-making. I have many personal experiences related to football. I remember the first time I participated in a school football competition. I was nervous, excited, and a little scared. But as soon as the whistle blew, I focused on the game and gave my best. Scoring my first goal was a moment of pure joy that I will never forget. On another occasion, I played with my friends and lost badly. At first, I was disappointed. But then I realized that losing is part of the game. It teaches you to analyze mistakes, improve, and come back stronger. These experiences taught me that football is not just about winning or losing. It is about learning, enjoying. Playing football has many benefits. Physically, it keeps the body fit, improves endurance, and strengthens muscles. Mentally, it improves concentration, strategic thinking, and decision-making skills. Football also teaches teamwork, as players must coordinate with each other to achieve a common goal. It develops discipline and patience, as consistent practice and adherence to rules are necessary. Moreover, football enhances social skills through communication and collaboration with teammates and opponents. The lessons learned on the field can be applied in studies, work, and everyday life. If you want to improve in football, there are some practical tips. Practice regularly, because improvement comes with consistent effort. Watch professional matches and learn strategies from top players. Stay fit and healthy, as physical fitness is essential for performance. Analyze your mistakes after every match and work to correct them. Finally, stay positive and motivated. Never get frustrated after a loss, and keep focusing on improvement. Football has many legendary players who inspire millions. Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi are two of the greatest footballers in history. Their dedication, discipline, and talent show how hard work can turn dreams into reality. Watching their games teaches us strategy, teamwork, and perseverance. These players motivate every football enthusiast to practice, learn, and never give up. Football also teaches important life lessons. It teaches perseverance to keep trying even after setbacks. It teaches teamwork to cooperate and communicate effectively. It teaches patience to plan and act thoughtfully rather than impulsively. It teaches time management to perform well within limited match time. And it teaches sportsmanship to respect opponents, celebrate victories gracefully, and accept defeats with dignity. These lessons are valuable not only on the field, but also in school, career, and personal life. There are many fun facts about football. The game has been played for hundreds of years and is popular in almost every country. Different nations have their own styles, tactics, and leagues. Football is now a global sport with professional leagues, World Cups, and championships that attract millions of fans. Playing football regularly increases brain activity, coordination, and reflexes, making it both fun and educational. So, my friends, this is why football is my favorite game. It is not just about fun, okay? It is about learning, improving, and enjoying life. Okay. Through football, I have learned discipline, focus, patience, teamwork, and resilience. Okay. I hope you also have a game you love, one that teaches you lessons and brings joy to your life. Remember, games like football are more than entertainment. They prepare us for challenges, teach life skills, and make us better human beings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational, educational, and English-speaking content.